The control panel switch on the main operator console turns on and off the electrical power to the machine. To turn on the machine, make sure all emergency stop buttons are out. The touchscreen will display a prompt to start and home the system. If any conditions preventing the machine from homing are present, a warning message will appear. To add or delete the individual lock machining functions, press the button surrounding the lock machining image on the screen. When it's selected, a green checkmark will appear. If it's not selected, a red Not Selected symbol will appear. By touching the image of the lock hole, you can select boring partially through or boring completely through. Select the left button for lock bore only. Select the middle button for double bore. Select the right button for center lock bore. Pressing the hinge image will change the hinge routers between 3.5 and 4 inches. The image on the screen will change from 6 screw holes to 8 screw holes. Pressing the hinge mortise image will activate or deactivate the pre-drill function. Pressing the hand symbol will enable the operator to manually adjust the machine. The cycle symbol will enable auto width mode. This will set the machine to measure the width of the door on the loader feed table when you have a loader attached. Pressing the width in or width out symbol will manually adjust the machine for door width. The door width display will be represented in the upper left-hand box. Hinge tilt will tilt the butt router, pre-drill, screw feeders, and jam to match the bevel on a pre-beveled door. By pressing the manual mode hand symbol, the door can be ejected without a door being fed from the loader when the foot pedal is depressed. If the green cycle button is enabled, a door will be fed into the machining center when one is ejected when you press the foot pedal. Lock tilt changes the faceplate only to match the bevel on a pre-beveled door. Supervisor access gives you access to Option Configurator and System Configurator options. PLC Detail page gives you access to see what PLC modules are active and will assist in troubleshooting. To manual pre-drill, select the right button to move the butt routers to the right. Select it again to move the pre-drills over. Select the middle button to activate the pre-drills. Hold it in place to plunge the pre-drill. This is helpful for pre-drill maintenance. The bottom right displays how many times your loader and machine have cycled. Select Reset Access to reset the supervisor access code to the factory default.